Before proceeding with needle, thread and beads, it's important to understand how to read a pattern, which is the diagram showing the design to be achieved, in this case, a strap worked in peyote stitch composed of rows. The image below shows you the exact amount of beads and their arrangement to create your herring. In fact, this pattern represents the upper part of your herring, and you'll find the same colors used. How to read the pattern? Our starting point is at the top here. Essentially, we'll add the beads following this order. The first beads to place on the needle will be 7 opal beads, 1 gold, 3 capri blue, 2 gold and 11 blue beads. Note, this will be the only time you'll insert beads simultaneously, because from now on, beads will be added one by one. So we are exciting the needle at this point here. The pattern now tells us that the next bead should be blue. So we pick up a blue bead with the needle and go back into this blue bead. Pick up another blue bead and go back in this blue bead. Pick up a blue bead and go back in this blue bead. Pick up another blue bead and go back in this blue bead. Pick up a blue bead and go back in this blue bead. Pick up a blue bead and go back in a gold bead. Pick up a gold bead and go back in a capri blue bead. Pick up a capri blue bead and go back in a capri blue bead. Pick up a gold bead and go back in a opal bead. Pick up a opal bead and go back in this opal bead. Pick up a opal bead and go back in this opal bead. Pick up a last opal bead and go back in this opal bead. We have exited at this point here at the top, completing the first round. What you need to do now is insert the beads following the pattern in the same way. If you are a beginner, I recommend marking the beads you have worked on so you always know where you are.